It's a 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. If you're looking for Euro-influenced style, great utility, and even better gas mileage, you're in the right place. This 5-door hatchback gives you all that and some great features too. It's got your back with the tire pressure monitor and stability and traction control. The steering wheel audio controls, heated seats and rear spoiler let the good times roll in comfort and style. A compelling choice to say the least. Take this Elantra GT for a test drive today. Here's a 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT. What could be better than great utility, impressive gas mileage, and top-notch European styling? You'll get it all in a package that's both fun and fresh. You and yours will be safe behind the wheel with stability and traction control, multiple airbags, and a tire pressure monitor. And the keyless entry, heated seats, and steering wheel audio controls are sure to keep you smiling. The Elantra GT is the complete package. Come see this one today.
We're confident we have the right used car, truck, or SUV for you. Stop in and see us today at 2008 US Highway 19 in Holiday, Florida.